welcome back to my channel. Today, I am once again doing something to my hair. But wait, you say, aren't you pregnant? Why, yes. Yes, I am. Typically, during pregnancy, it is advised to stay away from harsh toxic chemicals like those found in hair dyes. That's why I'm using this Keracolor Clenditioner. So this product is a vegan, non-toxic, basically a pigmented conditioner. There's no toxic fumes, it's not harsh on the skin, not at all whatsoever. So it is absolutely safe during pregnancy. The only other shade I've used with this product is rose gold. With that being a sort of pastel type-ish color, I wanted to try something a little bit more bold, such as this color. This is copper. Isn't this color more for fall time? Possibly, but I don't care about that. I want this color and I want it now. So therefore, we're gonna try this out. So with this product, since it's my first time using a more bold shade, I am curious to know a few things, and I want to share those things with you as I find them out. These things are, does it stain? Does it stain my shower? Does it stain my hands? Will it stain my clothes or my pillowcase? Things like that. Also, how long does it last? Does it fade nicely? Those types of things. So these are what I'm interested in finding out. If you are also interested, please continue watching. If you are new to this product, the instructions can be found in a little secret door on the back side. And there's two methods that you can use to apply this to your hair. The first method is when you're in the shower, when your hair is wet, like you would a normal conditioner. The second method is when your hair is dry, like you would a typical hair dye. When you use this product, the more often that you use it, the darker the color gets. So here's the back side of it. Whitened hair, 1 wash, 3 washes, 5 washes. So you can see there's a progression there. Basically, you just use it until you achieve your desired color. Here is a before of my current situation. So for my first application, I'm going to use it in the shower when my hair is wet. Probably gonna leave it on for maybe like 5-10 minutes or so. And then I will see you guys once my hair is dry. There's no stain. Yay. So here's the results after 1 wash. This stuff is so pigmented. Like so much more than the rose gold was, which obviously I was expecting, but at the same time, like, this is a lot. It's amazing, but it's a lot. It is a little bit streaky, which I'm not too upset about. I expect that if I use this stuff again one more time, it should correct itself. However, there is only one way to find out. Let's do it again. So here's round 2, used in the shower when my hair is wet. I have not needed to apply it to dry hair at all whatsoever. This stuff is very, very pigmented, as you can see. Can you tell a difference between 1 wash and 2? I'm pretty satisfied with how it's turned out so far. I think I'm going to go one more time in the shower next time I wash my hair. I will see you guys for round 3. With every use of this product, my hair gets a little bit darker, which is great. I love it. So yeah, here is wash 3. So the only other thing to do now is to see how it fades. So as the weeks progress, I will update you guys and show you what the results look like. I will stop using the product and we'll see what happens. It's been a little over a week now, and I have washed my hair a total of 4 times. Just this morning was the last time. Here is what the results look like after 4 washes. Kind of like a subtle rose gold-ish thing going on. It's fading very nicely. I think it's fading very nicely, but it doesn't seem to be staining my hair. So after a few more washes, I would expect the blonde to be back, but only time will tell. Well, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have you used any of the other colors that they have available? There's a wide variety of them. Please let me know in the comments, and let me know how it fades for you, if it stains, any of the other colors. I would be interested. Maybe one day I'll dye my hair blue. Probably not. I don't know. But anywho, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.